you can see the kitchen ideas. You can place the railing inside your almirahs. It will look clean and manageable. Here is the next picture where you can just put shelves of different sizes in one shelf, so you can put your different sizes of things. Here you can adjust a PVC roll to your almirah's door, and it will create a lot of space in your cupboard. Another example of railing, as we did before, is a set of wooden design according to your stuff to adjust them in a very appropriate way. You can put spoons, or you can say spatulas or big spoon strainers with the help of small tin packs. Just put them in a drawer, built-in drawer, like you saw. Yeah, you can put your crockery spoons and other stuff in drawers like that. If you don't want to put them in the cupboard, then you can make drawers like that and you can put them easily. Here is an example of saucepans or frying pans. You can add them with a railing, and you can just put a hook with that and you can easily access it. Yeah, door shelves. You can put shelves inside a door, like seen in the picture. Here is a small kitchen preview. If you don't have a lot of space, you can create a beautiful kitchen like this. See, there isn't any kind of space. These are the shelves without handles to look and be clean. See, it's also a small kitchen having four-sided shelf slab with cupboards. You can put a lot of stuff. See, here's a chimney. You can adjust shelves without handles. It will clean more good and clean, easy to clean. Yeah. Here is the last picture of small kitchen preview. Thanks a lot. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's Info Studio by JD. Thank you.